Hi, Tim Sales here. In this video, I'm talking about the purpose of promoting. And the three things that you're going to get out of this is, number one, the role promotion plays within the sales, marketing, and promotion arena. All right. Number three, the single item that determines conversion rates. And then number three is when promotion becomes a crime. All right, so we're on the topic of how to earn money, and the pipeline, this is what this is, this whole series right here: leads, generate a lead, contact, set appointment, presentation, follow up. That's what everybody in the world has to do to grow any kind of organization, whether it's a college, whether it's a doctor's office, or a network marketing business. And I'm focused right now in lead generation, right? So this is where we're sitting, is in this column. And you can call it the curriculum of lead generation, however you wanted to name it, or the chapter, or whatever, okay? So I just wanted to orientate you where we are. And in the last couple of videos, I've talked about the purpose of business, which is make people's lives better. The purpose of marketing, which is to cause people to reach for or want, okay? You want them to reach for something, okay? So that's the whole purpose of what marketing does. And this is about the purpose of promotion. Okay, so the purpose of promotion, make it known. What's it? Whatever it is that you're trying to market, to sell, all right? So the simplicity is record one primary thing about your chosen product. In other words, you go through your brands of products and you choose one, and you're going to choose one of those, right? And then what can that do for somebody? So that's what you're trying to look for here. So if I just pull out my glass of water here and I wanted to sell water, then I would want to put it in context of, what does somebody want? That's what I would want to write in here or record in a video or something like that. What does somebody want with that water? Okay, so what's important to them? All right, and then what does that water do for them? What does bad water do for them compared to good water do for them? Things like that, okay? So this all sits, all right, one more thing. Graphics, video, sales copy. Sales copy is it's just text that's written or recorded, but still the idea of sales copy is to write a glowing comment about it, all right? So, or text about it. All right, so all of this sits in marketing, all right? But we're in the topic of promotion, but marketing is a part of it. But its desire, what it's trying to do here, is to just create the reach. All right, so promotion, though, is to make it known. Promote this thing right here, by pushing it out to potential prospects requesting a response. Now that's what promotion is. So now you can see that we have to divide marketing and promotion. Otherwise, somebody will write sales copy but never promote it, never get it out there in quantity, extreme high volume. People often lump sales, marketing, and promotion all into one. And you can view them, each has their lane, but all of them have to merge. Okay? But I love to divide them up so that I can get the right identity when I'm doing a particular thing. And so we talk about identities, and I've often talked about it by putting on a hat or putting a jacket on, right? And so if you're putting on your marketing jacket, then you're going to have the identity of a marketer. And so what's the marketer do again? All right, that purpose is to create reach. I'm not trying to sell them. I'm trying to get them to be attracted by what it is that is in the headline. What's in the background? What's the font look like? All of that stuff is sitting in the marketing category. But when I go out to promote, that thing is throttle. It's about pushing it out and getting it way out there, right? And then sales is a different topic, and I'll talk about that later. Okay, so promotion means get something out, all right? Get it out of your world and get it out into the prospect world. Make it known. It's a quality versus quantity shuffling, okay? So 100 outs, let's say it's a postcard for simplicity. You send out 100 postcards, 30 responses, good. 100 out, 10 responses, good. 100 out, 1 response, good, okay? Doesn't matter, because what you're trying to do is get something out, period. That's the first thing. All right, so this is your conversion rate, 30%, 10%, 1%. Just simple. Communication determines the difference between 30%, 10%, or 1%. And that's all that it is communication. But you got to understand what encompasses communication. There is never an in, okay? So you don't get a response without an out. In other words, you have to get something out in order to get a response. And there is just an amazing quantity of people in network marketing that say to me and say to the world in anti-network marketing videos, it doesn't work. And I just go, wow, they just revealed very clearly that they didn't get anything out. Or if they did get anything out, they never perfected their communication of it. You get this simple thing. They never created want in their marketing, or they never pushed it out. Okay, that's all that it is. Hang on just a second. Yeah, there is never an in without an out, and that is what I call Captain Obvious. Like, duh. But I see so many people just never getting stuff out. Okay? High volume out must always be maintained. Period, or exclamation point, another sentence, while refining your communication. So there is no such thing as perfection at all. And so when you try to attain that perfection because you're trying to get quality, I want you to have quality. I don't want you to debase your company by putting out bad stuff. Absolutely not. But what I do want you to do for you is always high volume out while you're refining your communication, getting it better and better and better. And so I'll go backwards now and I'll go back up to here. So as you get better and better at your communication, you're going to create more want, more reach. And that's what's going to create these responses. And that's how you go from 1 to 10, or from 0 to 1 to 10 to 30. So it's just always pushing that out there. That's the main thing. If I said one thing that I wanted you to get out of this is get it out, make it known, promote it, get it out there. Get what out there? Your promotion piece that you did as when you were wearing your marketing hat or your identity of marketing. Failure to promote is a high crime against your income. You're in treason. Okay, because you're here to help prospects get what they want and for you to make money. If you're not out there promoting, then it's a high crime against your income. All right. So no matter what the excuse is, somebody says, well, our products are too expensive. Well, figure out a way to justify that product, right? So drill down in it and find out. And then, well, okay, you chose the wrong product. Pull another product off the shelf, right? So it's always that it doesn't matter what your excuse is. You've got to always solve this problem, all right? So, and when I say problem, what I'm talking about is that you end up trapping yourself. So you come up with this barrier and you say, I don't have the money to promote. Ha, you're done. Okay, high crime. I don't feel ethical about selling that product. Good, get another product. In other words, every excuse that you come up with is you're planting those things up there. All right. So the whole message here is promote. Get it out there. All right. So please comment. What's your view on always be promoting? should you always be promoting? And number 2, failure to promote is a high crime against your income. What do you think about that? Is that too stiff? Is that too rough? All right, so please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, you might join our Telegram group. It's where I give extra training in there and I answer people's questions and things like that. And so, thank you for watching.